Okay.
Hi, my name's Terry and I'd like to share with you our wonderful success we've had with our BioCleanse foot bath. It has turned my life around and given my life back to what I thought was lost. Now, for me to actually share this story, I need to go back a couple of years. Back to when we were first diagnosed with chronic renal failure, or my kidneys, in other words, were failing. We were put under the care of a specialist kidney treatment, and they applied all the modern drugs that they could think of to try and cure my condition. But unfortunately, over a period of about 12 months, all it did was make me worse. They destroyed about half of my existing function, and in the end, the specialist says we can do no more for you except put you on dialysis. So in desperation, we started to turn to alternative medicines, and we took a very expensive trip to China, and they were able to apply all their old traditional herbal medicines to me, and they stabilised me for a while. And we came home with a suitcase full of very expensive herbal treatments. And over a period of 12 months with other treatments, we were able to stabilise my condition, but sadly, over a period of about 12 months, my well-being got steadily worse. Until the point was reached, was it just before Christmas 2018, I'd had enough. And I went to hospital and I asked for dialysis treatment to start. I was exhausted. I could hardly dress. I couldn't shower myself. I couldn't drive. And I was done. I'd given up. But my wife urged me to just perhaps try one more thing, the BioCleanse foot bath. And when she told me the price, I balked for a moment. I thought, it seems a lot of money. But then I thought about it. It was only a fraction of what we'd already spent, and maybe just last throw of the dice. We'll give it a go. And I must say that it's been the best investment I've ever made. It turned my life around. It gave my life back. It was rushed to us over the Christmas break, and we immediately started treatments. And what surprised me was in a matter of days, the turnaround was phenomenal. I was able to dress myself, I was able to shower myself, I was able to drive. And when we had our routine appointment with our specialist, he made the diagnosis, no, you're too well to have dialysis. We don't normally treat people with dialysis in your condition. You're too stable. And it's just turned my life around. And although I've got a long way to go yet because I'm still very weak, we've made plans for going travelling again, going overseas and so on. And it all comes down to having a regular foot bath. It's doing what probably dialysis would do, but without all the inconvenience of it. And the thing that seems to be also coming out is that it has cleared my body to make some of these other alternative herbal treatments more effective. It's been the best investment I've ever had, and it's given my life back. And I'd highly recommend it for anyone who has not only in my position, but my wife. We've got the dual machine, and my wife has found that even though she's a healthy person, it's given her a zest for energy. And so we both recommend it. And it's been the best investment and the best turnaround I've ever had. Thank you.